Isa.
What's up mga Pabi boys? We're here in Moshev Mall and we're gonna plan to buy some Crocs for Daddy. We're gonna find the exact same Crocs that I have at home but in his size. So let's go guys.
Where's yours, Clark?
I actually don't buy a lot of things. So
Yeah, because you're saving your money. Right?
Money.
Yes, you save money. Don't like to buy stuff.
I don't like buying a lot of things.
Where's for Carl?
Asa isa yung Carl?
Patayin lang.
He also has a
So, kay Sean at ano lang? Ito.
Malaki pa pa lang siya.
Ay, okay, Sean, no? Tapos,
Sa mga bata, masyado simple o what?
kaya nga ba? Masyadong so simple. Ito kay Carl, oh, ganda.
Si Clark. Saan bunso kaya? Saan yung mga pambata talaga? Yung...
Oo, masyadong plain naman ito. So, ayan guys, dito kami sa Crocs. Ang dami magagandang design. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Ayan. Diba ang gaganda? Oo, kay Clark. Kasi, diba, hindi siya masyadong ganyan nag-ano?
Clark, like this, oh. Like
Yan.
Army.
Try this one. Try.
It will not be the same. Oh, remove your shoes.
Kasi mas prefer niya yung ganyan kumpara sa gano'n na open.
Kasi baka hindi ka sanay dun eh.
Oo. So, ayan. Kasi yung mga dati niyang Crocs maliliit na. Wow! It's big. It's big. It's big.
Sakto lang yun, sir.
Walang maliit ng konti.
Yan yung start mo naman niya. Malaki.
Malaki siya. Malaki.
It's big, right?
Oo nga,
He's
big.
gonna grow anyways. Yeah. Again, you read? He's gonna grow.
Maganda, oh. Maganda yung design. Oo. Isa.
Wait.
So, ayan. Hubad kasi sakit yung paa nila. Ayan. Saka kano. So, ngayon, nagpapalit na ng Crocs. Sleeper. Oh, it's so comfortable. What can you say?
My foot can breathe now.
Wow, your foot can breathe?
My foot can also breathe now.
Give me your shoes.
My feet also can breathe.
Oh, me, oh.
Wow.
I can feel the air inside.
Relaxing, Clark?
My feet can breathe now. And he can sleep.
Salamat sa...
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan, o, diba? Napaka-komportable. Ikaw ka? Ayan, meron sila. Kaya pa. Si Pabiboy sa naghahanap ng tsinelas. Pero ang gaganda niyan, guys, oh.
Dapat ako bibili.
Oh, dapat siyang bibili. Kaso,
Gusto ng mga anak ko.
So, mga
Sila
anak
na
na bibilhan. Welcome. So, ayan.
So good.
Wait, I can breathe. Look at it.
My foot can breathe.
Ayan na, tumatakbo na kasi. Ano ba?
My feet can breathe.
Oh, hindi maliit? Hindi yan maliit kay Sean?
It's good, Sean.
Yeah, it's good. This is so good.
It matches Sean.
It matches my clothes.
Kahit may...
So yan guys, dito lang yan yung Crocs sa Moshev Mall. So ayan, nakabili sila dahil nga yung mga Crocs nila is maliliit na.
Yung bibili hindi nakabili.
Yung bibili hindi nakabili. Yung mga hindi bibili yun ang nabilhan. Anong talaga? Ayan. Mauna ang mga bata kaysa matanda. Mauna mga bata kaysa matanda. So ayan guys. Woot.
Combine.
Okay, guys.
Put them together.
This is what's the number? If you don't know, like
Put them together.
and
How much is this? 5 and 4.
like
And put it
and
together. How much
subscribe
is that?
and go in the
50
comments
plus 4.
if you don't know what it is number. It's like a 50. Yeah.
How much
Remember
is it?
right now? It's iPhone. iPhone
54.
Okay. Bye. So ayan guys, tapos na kami naglilibot at biglang nagutom. Nandito kami sa food court. Ayan, nakikita nyo, nandito kami sa isa sa favorite namin, ang Bacolod Inasal. Shoutout sa mga taga Bacolod dyan. Masarap yung kanyang barbecue. Ayan, napakasarap dyan. Ayan, so binabalik-balikan namin dyan. At saka yung kanilang okoy. Ayan, masarap yung kanilang okoy na may hipon. So ayan guys, pero ang ating Pa-B-Boys Vlogs ay nag-order ng kanyang forever talaga, no? Ang kanyang paboritong, biryani. Mahilig talaga yan sa biryani. Biryani lover ang ating Pa-B-Boys Vlog. So, ayan, nakikita nyo ang sarap. Masarap yan. Ayan, na-try ko yan. Masarap yan. Mukhang masarap dyan, pero masarap yan. So, ayan, thank you so much for watching. Ayan, woot, woot, woot!